How to turn on or off automatically send message in Siri on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to Siri and search. Here in Siri and search and Ask Siri section, you can see below of this the automatically send message. So you can tap this and you can see here the switch button on the right side. So if you want to turn on the automatically send message, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this turn on, to send message quickly without Siri asking you to confirm before sending, turn on automatically send message. And also when connected to headphone and CarPlay, so you can turn off or on this headphone and CarPlay by switching off the switch button or on the switch button on the right side of this headphone and CarPlay. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on. And to turn off again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side of automatically send message. And okay, we have successfully turned on or off automatically send message in Siri on iPhone X.